नमो नमः। काकः कृष्णः पिकः कृष्णः को भेदः पिककाकयोः वसन्तसमये प्राप्ते काकः काकः पिकः पिकः. So the Subhashitam says that the crow is black, kakah krishnah, pikah krishnah, so is the cuckoo. The cuckoo is also black. So what is the difference between the crow and the cuckoo? Come springtime, vasanta samaye prapte, come springtime, the crow is identified as the crow and the cuckoo as the cuckoo. So at a superficial level, obviously this means that the true colors of a person come out at the opportune time. But delving a little deeper, an episode from the Upanishads where sage Angiras is imparting Brahma Vidya to Shaunaka, his disciple, he gives the example of a bird, of rather two birds on a tree. So there is a bird which is perched on a lower branch and a bird on the higher branch. So the lower branch, the lower bird is highly distracted. So she looks at the luscious fruit hanging on the tree, and she's so engrossed in eating the fruits. So she knows that her friend is there on the top. She must go and unite with the friend over there. But the environment is so tempting, so she's completely engrossed in that. And suddenly one day she realizes that no, she must reach the higher bird. As she's hopping upward from branch to branch, suddenly she sees another luscious fruit, and again she's caught in that. So thousands of years go by like this, and the bird on the higher branch is waiting for her friend to come and merge with her, to be with her. So obviously this is metaphorical for the Atma and Paramatma, Atma being the lower bird and Paramatma being the higher bird. Also in this connection is the story of the inverted world, where the roots and the branches are in heaven, and the roots are, and the trunk is in heaven, and the branches are down on earth. So the Upanishad says that man is so engrossed in the material world that he thinks that he's always chasing the low-hanging fruit, and for him this is the world, the branches are the world. Instead of reaching out to the great trunk high above, he's chasing the low-hanging fruit and thinks that this is the world. So just like the lower bird who thinks that this is the world, the tree is the body. So the Atma is connecting herself with the tree instead of reaching for the bird on the higher branch, which is the Paramatma. So the Upanishad says that tat eva satyam, meaning walk on the truth of this alone is true. This alone is true. And what is that? The fact that the Atma has to eventually merge with Paramatma, but for that one has to practice. It cannot happen by moving aimlessly. One has to practice righteousness, chastity and truthfulness. Only then one can become one with the Paramatma. The Atma can merge with the Paramatma. Satyam eva jayate na anritam. So walk on the path of truth. Truth alone will triumph and not untruth. And what is the path of truth over here? To practice righteousness and truthfulness, so that the lower bird will eventually merge with the higher bird. So that is the story of the two birds, metaphorical story of the two birds on the tree. Namo Namah.